Number 26, a right rectangular prism has a base area. See, right rectangular prism is actually a cuboidal box, right? Which you bring from the markets whenever you go for shopping. So it's something like this, a cuboidal box. Okay. It has a base area of 24 t centimeter square. So that is the base. The length of the base of the rectangular prism is 8 by 3 centimeter and the height of the rectangular prism is 15 centimeter. Okay, length is given to us 8 by 3 centimeter. Height is given directly 15 centimeter and area of the base is given. Now base is a rectangle and what is the area of rectangle? Length times width, which is 24t. Length is already 8 by 3, right? 8 by 3, yes. Times width is equal to 24t. So width is equal to multiplying by is reciprocal on both the sides. It's 8 by 3. So multiply by 3 by 8 on both sides. 24 times t is 3 by 8. 3 3 is 9. So width is equal to 9t. Now we have all the measurements. Let's write them. Length is equal to 8 by 3 centimeter. Width is equal to 90 centimeters and height is equal to 15 centimeter given. Let's see it's how it looks like when you open it. So this is kind of open structure to it, right? Let's see how many. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay. So it has, like if you open it, it has, this is first. So it's length time width. It's the second. So there are two length times width, right? 2 multiplied with 2. Similarly, see this third and this fourth. These both are width time heights. So there are two areas which are width time heights, right? These are again 2. And this one, fifth and sixth. Sixth, this one, not this one. They have length and height. So their area is length times height. So two surfaces have length and width, two surfaces have width and height, and two surfaces have length and height. So we will multiply this, right? Okay, let's make it big. So if we see the total area is 2 lengths and widths, 2 widths and heights, 2 lengths and heights. Let's take 2 common. Length width, width height and length height. So length is 8 by 3 times 90. I'm just plugging in the value. Just pause the video and write out the values. What are these? So width is 90 and height is 15 given. Okay, let's write it. Length is equal to 8 by 3. Width is equal to 90 and height is equal to 15. So that is 8 by 3 times 15. And 2 is common. If you calculate the whole thing, you will end up at 318t plus 80. Okay, let's see the options. That means B is the right option. So here the basic concept is that how you identify the surfaces and how you make it like write it at one place and calculate it. Or if you are not comfortable with writing, here the whole thing here itself, you can write every area into the part, right? And then add them. Totally upon, depends upon how comfortable you are, right?